You are leaving money on the table if you keep looking at commercial hood. Cleaning like it is just another dirty service. It is not. This trade is tied directly to fire code, restaurant safety, grease risk, and recurring compliance-driven need. That means restaurants cannot just ignore it. They cannot put it off forever. And they cannot gamble with people who do not know what they are doing. That is where the opportunity is. Because when a service is tied to something serious, the value goes up. This is not about chasing random one-off jobs. This is about building recurring, sticky accounts in an industry where the need keeps coming back. Grease keeps building. Systems keep running. Restaurants keep needing qualified people to handle the work. And the people who are trained properly are the ones in the best position to win. That is why certification matters. Because right now, a lot of people are out there trying to enter this trade with no real structure, no standards, and no understanding of what makes professional. Hood cleaning different from basic cleaning. That is why they stay small. That is why they undercharge. That is why they get overlooked. And that is why they lose income they should have had. Proper training changes that. When you know the system, know the process, know the inspection points, know the fire risk side, and know how to speak with confidence, you stop looking like just another cleaner. You start looking like a professional. And professionals get trusted differently. They get taken more seriously. They build stronger accounts. And they put themselves in position for real 6- and even 7-figure business potential when the operation is built right. That is exactly why we built the Iron and Light Hood Cleaning Certification Program. Not to give you fluff. Not to give you hype. To give you a real foundation in a trade that has real demand and real upside. Stop watching other people build in this trade while you stay on the outside. Get certified. Link in bio.